Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve 2 hijab style tie back that covers your chest area. I think you're gonna love this style because it's the trendiest style at the moment. So let's get to it. Okay, for the first style, I usually buat the same length macam ni. Okay, you take this side, bring it to the other side, and then you pin. Now you have something like this. Okay, what I like to do is I like to secure this side. Takut macam terbang-terbang. Okay, and if you like to, you can secure this side as well. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay, now take this side, take everything, and then bring it to the back. Okay, now you're gonna cover your chest with this side of the dome. Okay, what I like to do is I like to take this, the corner, and then make my way to the point yang I rasa it's gonna cover my chest. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, now you tie it at the back. Susah pula. Okay, dah tie. You kemaskan, and then the last step is, okay, kemaskan dulu. The last step is take, macam tarik dia to cover the knot, to cover the ikatan. Let's go. You have to balance the front and the back. I'm going to show you how it looks like on the back. Nah, siap. Just adjust the face area, how you want it to look on your face. Okay, so kalau nak flowy kan, macam tu. Okay, so on to our second style. Okay, for the second style, it is designed for moms like me yang macam nak very secure, super secure hijab style. What you're gonna do is lipat this side, and then this side, bring the inside out. Lepas tu pin. Notice how you can achieve macam flowy kat sini, but then without compromising the security of your hijab. It's very important for moms like me. Okay, so as usual, bring this side to the back. Now, okay, macam tadi kita tarik masa last kan. This one, you bring it like pull it untuk dia cover the knot later. Okay, now as usual, take the corner and then macam biasa, see, it's gonna cover the chest like so, and then macam ni lah, you tie it. Your eyes look like the stars. The sky is jealous, taking me too far. It's overwhelming, no matter how high we go. I'll find my way back to you.
This is the end.
What nonsense, darling. Why, I fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.
Lepas tu macam biasa kita kemaskan. And then, see, dah ada dah. Ni, tak payah tarik. So, ready there. Just cover. Okay, lepas tu, as usual, adjust the side, adjust the face punya side. Calling your name each Ya, agak-agak dah terletak macam tu. We're done. I'm going to show you how it looks like at the back.
I'll do it again.
Personally, I like the second style better because I'm a mom and my baby suka tarik tudung. So, I like to have my hijab super secure. So, for those of you guys yang macam rasa macam clumsy or ada anak or anything, the second style memang paling best. So, what do you guys think? Which style do you like more? Style number 1 or style number 2? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see you guys in the next video.